Hey everybody, Ethan from Skycomp here. Today we're going to go through the 3CX web app, installation, and some features. So to start off, there's a few different ways that you can use 3CX. The first one being through the web app on your work device, the second one being through a traditional office phone, and the third one being on your smart device. The main benefit of having 3CX on your work laptop is you can make, take, and transfer calls all on the same device. Okay, so first we're going to start by showing you how to download the web app. So we're going to start by logging in to our web client. If you need further information on that, you can click on this video up here. And once we're logged in, all we got to do is navigate up to the top here. You'll see this little icon. Click on that, and then simply just click install. And just like that, I have the web app installed on my machine. Okay, so now that we have 3CX installed, you'll see it looks about the same as when you're on the web app, except I can right click it here, pin it to my taskbar, and then if I close it, it's easily accessible at any time. Before we start using 3CX fully, we do have to change a couple settings just to give 3CX the permissions they need to function properly. So we're going to start by clicking these three dots above, going to our app info, and then looking for our settings. Once we're in here, there's a couple things that we'll need to select. First of all, our microphone, and then have to go in. I know it looks a little daunting, but there's only two things we need to click from here on out. Notifications we'll want to allow, and then pop-ups we'll want to allow. This will allow us to have our calls pop up on our screen and notify us, and we've given it the microphone permissions it needs to let us talk. So once we've changed these settings, 3CX will know that that's changed. We'll click reload real quick, and we should be all good to go. So now we're ready to start taking calls. Where do we go? Just up to the right here, you'll click on this little phone icon, and that'll give you the functionality to enter in any number that you want. As well, if you have a connected smart device or IP phone, you can click this little drop down here, and that'll ask you which one you actually want to make the call from. So if I were to click on the Yealink phone and make a call, I would just simply pick this up, and I would be able to talk to them. Okay, so first, we're going to show you how to do a call transfer. We're also going to show you what it looks like when you receive a call. So make sure that your 3CX app is open. We're going to minimize it here. And now we have an external caller reaching out. As you can see in the bottom right, click answer. Okay, now we're on the phone with an external caller, and they're looking to talk to one of our colleagues. So to cold transfer, we would simply click the transfer option. But to warm transfer, we're going to do the attached transfer. So we'll click on that, enter in our colleague's number there. They pick up the phone, we let them know that someone's calling for them, and again, when we want to join the calls, we just simply click join. And now they're talking happily together. Another functionality you can do in the web app is setting your status. So to do that, we're going to click on the top right here, and we have a couple of different statuses right off the bat. But if you want to customize it, you can click this pen here and let people know that we're in a meeting. And then once we set that status, they'll see we're in Do Not Disturb and that we're in a meeting, and they know not to try to contact us. This status also gets set across all 3CX devices you're logged into, such as your laptop, cellular device, and even your physical phone. Okay, so now we're going to go through a couple of 3CX tabs on the left. To start off, when you open the app, it's going to give you the Team tab, which will show you all internal contacts. Moving on, we have a little bit of chat functionality so you can message other users. Going through calls will give you your call history. Panel will let you see what other internal users are up to, so you can see who else is on a call, who else is busy. Contacts, you can go through and you can add them manually, or you can sync them through. Voicemail will give you a call log for all your voicemails, for which you can play, download, or give them a call back. And last but not least, we have our settings. This allows you to go through and customize 3CX the way you want to use it. But for now, we'll leave it as is. Although you can use the microphone built into your device, we definitely recommend getting a headset to use to improve your sound and mic quality. Hopefully this video was useful for showing you how to navigate 3CX. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more 3CX related videos, please check out our channel. Have a nice day.